Hey, what's going on, guys? So welcome back to another Python tutorial. So in this video we will be talking about the Fibonacci series or the Fibonacci sequence. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get the video started. So yeah, first we're gonna see what the Fibonacci sequence or Fibonacci series is. So in this series, what happens, the first three numbers are 0, 0 and 1, and starting from the fourth one, what it does, it basically adds up the previous two numbers. So in this case it's 1 and 0, so it is 1. And then for the next, so the fifth term, it adds the previous two, 1 and 1, which is 2, so here it prints 2. And then for the next one, which is 3, it basically 3 because we have 2, the previous one, and then the one before that is 1, so 1 plus 2 is 3, and we have 3. So now we're going to build a simple program to print out these terms of the Fibonacci series. So for this, let's write one variable named first, and let's insert a 0 inside of it. And then let's store another variable second, which has a 0 in it. And then let's have another variable which will be the result. So this result would always print these outcomes. And let's dump here 1. Okay, all right. And then now let's start with our for loop for I in range. And then let's run it user input time. So basically we're gonna want to get an input from the user saying enter a number. All right. And then so now what we want to do, so depending on that number, so let's convert this into an int. All right, so now what we want to do, first for the first three iterations we want to print, so for I equal to 0, we want to print 0. I equal to 1, we want to print again 0. And then again for the third term, for I equal to 3, we want to print, no, here should be 2. Okay, we want to print 1. Okay, all right, or we can write here the result. Now let's add 1. All right, now for all the values, so this else, for all the iterations which will be more than 2, what we want to do, first we want to print the result. So result is 1, so we want to print the result. And then what we want to do, now we want these two variables to have some specific values. So every time this prints a new result, we want to update these two. So basically we want the first variable to hold whatever will be stored in the second variable, and the second one to hold whatever the result will print out. So basically whatever the result value is, we want that to be stored in second, and then second's value should be on first, and then when we add these two, a new result will be formed, and then this would go on. So basically what we want to say, so the first one would store what is stored in second, and the second would store what is in result, and then result will be equal to the sum of the previous two numbers, in this case first plus second. And if I save and if I run, it should work. So if I write here 6, it prints 0, 0, 1, 1, and then we have another one. I wonder why though. 0, 1, 2. This is 1. Okay, so I should, all right, so yeah, if I remove this, then it should work. Yeah, okay, so now if I run and if I write here 6, we should have 0, 0, 1, 1, and then 2, 3, and so on. Now if I enter a big number, so let's say 13, and if I run, we have 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, and then 21. So these are basically the sum of the previous two values. You can add them and see. So this is basically the Fibonacci sequence or the Fibonacci series for you in this video. So in the next video we will use recursion to solve this problem. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.